Heidi is a little girl. She is going to live in the mountains. The mountains are beautiful, green, and very high.
Heidi is excited to see her new home.
Look, Heidi sees some goats. She smiles happily.
She loves the beautiful mountains. Are we almost there?
Soon, Heidi meets her grandfather. He lives alone in a small wooden house. Heidi looks at him carefully. Then she smiles and says, "Hello, grandfather." Grandfather shows Heidi the little house. It is simple, but it is warm and comfortable.
Heidi looks around and says, "I like this house."
I'm glad, Heidi. Heidi finds a bed in the loft. The bed is made of soft, clean hay. Heidi jumps onto it.
This is my bed! This is my bed!
The next morning, Heidi wakes up early. The sun is shining. Birds are singing outside. Heidi looks through the window and smiles. She feels very happy. Outside, Heidi meets Peter. Peter is a young shepherd.
Hello, Heidi. Hi, Peter.
He takes the goats to the mountain every day. I'm taking the goats up the mountain.
Can I come with you?
Heidi wants to go with him. Heidi goes with Peter and the goats.
This is wonderful, Peter.
The mountains are beautiful. She runs through the grass.
Whee! Look at the flowers.
She watches the goats eat.
I love it here.
She loves this new life in the mountains. Heidi looks at the mountains. She sees green grass, flowers, trees, and blue sky. She feels peaceful. She thinks, I love living here. Heidi quickly becomes friends with the goats. One small goat comes close to the Eschen. Heidi pets its head.
You are very cute.
At lunchtime, Heidi and Peter sit on the grass. They eat bread and cheese. The goats rest nearby. The children enjoy their simple lunch. Grandfather takes good care of Heidi. He makes her warm food. He gives her a safe...
Thank you, Grandfather.
Heidi knows her grandfather loves her.
It's delicious.
Days pass, and Heidi becomes very happy. Every day, she plays outside.
Whee! The flowers are so pretty.
She watches the goats.
Hi, goats. You're so friendly.
She enjoys the fresh air and the beautiful mountains.
I love it here.
One day, Aunt Detta comes back.
Aunt Detta!
She has something important to tell Heidi.
You're back.
Hello, Heidi.
Welcome back, Detta.
Heidi does not know that her life is about to change. I have news, Heidi. Aunt Detta says, Heidi, you must come with me. Heidi is surprised. She does not want to leave her grandfather or the mountains.
Heidi says goodbye to her grandfather. She hugs him tightly. She says,
I will miss you.
Grandfather tells her, you will be all right.
Heidi travels far from the mountains. Soon, she reaches a busy city. Everything looks different. There are many houses, streets, and people. Heidi meets Clara. Clara is a kind girl who cannot walk. She lives in a large house. Clara is happy to meet Heidi.
Hello, Clara. Hello, Heidi. I'm so glad you're here.
Heidi now lives with Clara. The house is big and beautiful, but Heidi misses the mountains. She misses her grandfather and the goats.
I miss them.
Heidi and Clara become good friends. They talk every day.
The mountains are so beautiful, Clara.
And the goats, what are they like?
They jump so high. Grandfather takes care of them.
I wish I could see it all. But Heidi feels sad. She misses her home. She misses the fresh mountain air. Every night, she thinks about her grandfather.
Heidi cannot sleep well. She thinks about her little bed in the mountain cabin. She wants to see the stars again.
Heidi becomes very unhappy. She does not want to eat. She does not want to play. Clara knows that something is wrong. Clara knows that something is wrong. Clara's grandmother visits the girls. She is kind and wise. She understands that Heidi misses her home. She tries to make Heidi feel better way. But you're very dear to us here. We'll make this feel like home too.
Thank you, Grandmother.
Grandmother reads stories to Heidi. And when you are afraid, Heidi, you can always pray. Heidi learns that she can pray when she feels afraid or sad.
Really, Grandmother?
Yes, my dear. It will give you comfort. This gives her hope and comfort. Heidi finally says,
I want to go home.
She wants to see her grandfather again. She wants to return to the beautiful mountains. At last, Heidi returns to the mountains. She sees her grandfather. She runs to him and gives him a big hug. Heidi is happy again.
Heidi is back with her goats. She walks through the green meadow with Peter. She feels free and happy again.
Oh, my goats! Let's run together! I love being here.
Later, Clara comes to visit Heidi. She wants to see the mountains.
Clara, you're here! Heidi, the mountains are so beautiful!
Heidi is very excited.
I'll show you everything!
She wants to show Clara her beautiful home. Clara looks around. She sees the green mountains, blue sky, flowers, and goats. She has never seen a place like this before. Clara enjoys the fresh mountain air. She smiles.
Isn't it beautiful? Yes, it is beautiful.
Clara begins to become stronger. With help, she tries to stand.
Heidi stays beside Clara. She says, "You can do it, Clara." Clara tries again. This time, she takes a small step.
Everyone is happy.
Heidi smiles and learns
You did it.
Clara keeps trying. Slowly, she learns to walk. It is not easy, but she does not give up. Heidi encourages her every day. Now Heidi and Clara can walk together. They explore the mountain. They laugh, talk, and enjoy every beautiful moment.
Grandfather watches the girls. He is very happy. He sees Heidi enjoying her life and Clara becoming stronger. In the evening, they sit outside the cabin. The sun goes down behind the mountains. Everything is quiet and peaceful.
Heidi looks at her favorite place. She is thankful for her home, her grandfather, and her friends. She feels lucky to live in the mountains. Heidi learns an important lesson. Home is special. Friendship is special. And when life is difficult, we should never stop hoping. Now Heidi is home. She closes her eyes and smiles. Outside, the mountains are quiet. Heidi whispers, "Good night, grandfather," and she falls asleep happily. Thank you for listening to Heidi. Remember, good friends help us, family gives us love, and hope can make difficult days brighter. See you in next story!